just like, is the point that we pick, the equation that we pick just
It only
works
works
for one
for-
point?
Yeah, why? Does anyone know why it only works for 1 point?
I'm not sure.
Well, is the equation true for that point?
Yeah.
Yes, but
for
it's
the
not
rest.
true for all of them, right? So that can't be the
So that's
equation.
why we just try it out one.
Yep. So that's why you have to try more than one set of,
What if
X
it
and
only
Y.
works for 2, and not for the third one?
Then could it be correct? No, because we're not finding the right
Well-
pattern. So we need to try several points.
But if we only check up to 2 and it works for 2 one, some of
So then
us
let's-
might think that it's that one.
So let's check maybe 3, okay, to make sure. Okay, so let's try to see if we can find another equation.
So one can be only one? It has to be all of them?
It has to work for all of them, yes. Let's look. So remember, we said that the pattern going this way is they're adding 2, right? So now we need to think of an equation.
And it has to be something with adding 2 because that's how the pattern goes.
Maybe it's y equals x plus 2 times, I don't know.
Well, let's
Times
try.
2.
Try to work it out. See if you can figure something out.
You said plus 2 and then times 2.
So y equals x times 2 plus, I think it's that.
I think it is. Because look, I tried it for, oh no, I did it wrong.
So do you think that that's the equation?
I think it's that.
No. Let's try another one then.
What if we stitch these 2?
So try to do it and see what happens. Does anyone think they have something?
I think I do.
What did you try?
I put y equals x times 2 plus 2, and I tried it with many other ones. Like, for example, 22 equals 10 times 2, that equals 12 plus 2. It's, 20, and then 20 plus 2 is 22, and that's the answer right there.
Okay.
I tried 4 different ones.
And it worked for all of them?
Yes.
Okay. Did you try it out too, Judith?
Only for one.
Okay.
Already did
So
one.
let's try it for one more.
But it's the same one as hers.
Oh, you tried the same one that she did? Yeah? Okay. So let's try one more point together. Let's try, have you tried this one? 9 and 20?
No.
Okay, let's try that one and see. So how are we going to write the equation?
So, 20 equals 9 times 2, and then plus 2,
Okay.
that equals 20.
So 20 equals
20.
20. Okay, so do you think we found our equation?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what do we need to do with this equation?
We need to, so that we don't put y, we need to put y equals
But then,
20 times 2
so we
plus
can
2.
know that we skip some, we could put those 3 dots in here.
Okay, so just put some little dots, right? So now you skip some of the tables. And how many tables do we have to have?
20.
20. So 20, is that x or y?
Y, X.
Which one is it?
X.
X, okay?
So we need
So
to
we
put
write down
y
20.
equals 20 times 2 plus 2.
Can you repeat that one more time, Judith? What are we writing down?
Y equals 20 times 2 plus 2.
Does everyone agree with that?
What do you mean? Oh, yeah. So the answer is y equals 20 times 2 plus 2.
And then we need to solve that, right?
Yeah.
I think I already know how many people.
Okay, let's wait for everyone to get their answer. What's 20 times 2?
40.
Okay. And then we add 2, and that gives us what, Andrea?
42.
42.
So 42 people.
Does everyone agree with that?
Yes.
Let's wait for Esther to finish, and then we'll see if she agrees.
Yes, we're okay.
Okay, so what was the question? Let's look at that again and see what the question was. Andrea?
The question was, how many people can sit at the table?
But let's look at the question that we wrote together, the question we were looking for.
If we put 20 small tables together, how many people fit at the table?
And we said how many people fit at the table?
42 people.
42 people.
So
Okay.
you put 20 and that's like 4.
Now, another interesting thing about this equation, too, is that if I were to change the problem, like let's say that I asked you to find out if there were 50 tables, and we put them all together, how many people would sit there? Would you have to keep making this
No.
t-table?
We could just
No.
use the
Use the
equation
equation.
to find the
So what would
answer.
it be? Let's try that.
could be
Let's say there were 50 small
It
tables.
would be y equals 50 times 2 plus 2, which is 102.
Does everyone agree with that equation, though? Read your equation again.
Y equals 50 times 2 plus 2, which equals 102.
Yes, it is.
So 102 people can sit 50 tables put together.
And why did you put 50 times 2? What does 50 stand for?
The
50
X.
people.
Is it people?
I mean,
X tables. The tables.
It's the tables, right?
Uh-huh.
So 50 tables, right, times 2 plus 2 is what?
102.
Yes.
Does everyone agree with that?
Yes, we agree.
So now that we have the equation, we could use any amount of tables, and we could easily find the answer of how many people would sit at the table. Okay? Very good. Awesome.
So the answer is
42 people can sit at 20 tables put together.
42 people
Let's write that down.
can. Oh wait. So now that we put